South Korea's Hyundai Motor Company and affiliate Kia Corporation forecast that their combined global sales will jump 12.1% in 2022, even as last year's sales fell short of target due to a global chip shortage. The companies sold 6.67 million vehicles in 2021, about 3.7% less than their combined target of 6.92 million vehicles, largely due to the supply problems including the chip shortage, which drove down vehicle shipments. They said they would target global sales of 7.47 million vehicles this year. Hyundai Motors said in 2022 they plan to expand its market share and strengthen profitability through efforts to stabilize chip supply and demand, adjust vehicle production schedules, strengthen electric vehicle lineups, as well as optimizing sales, profit, and loss by region. The shortage, due to supply problems and the surge in demand for consumer electric gadgets during the pandemic, has hit the auto industry hard, with millions of vehicles worldwide not being produced because of important parts are missing. Lee Jae-il, an expert at Eugene Investments and Securities, expected demand for vehicles to stay strong in 2022, underpinned by pent-up demand from consumers unable to buy vehicles last year due to supply shortages. Lee added, "It appears that the chip shortage has been showing some signs of easing. However, rising raw material prices would likely have an impact on their profitability." Shares in Hyundai closed 0.7% higher versus a 0.4% rise in the benchmark market KOSPI. In October, Hyundai cut its 2021 global sales target by about 4% to 4 million vehicles from 4.16 million vehicles.